Okay, so let's add a grade column within a Blackboard course. So I'm just going to go to this course, which it's not available yet. It's a course I'm setting up, so I haven't really done anything to it yet. But let's suppose I'm going to have a test in class, and I want to put the grades in here after the test is taken. So I'm going to go to my full grade center down here in course management. All right, and right now it has no students in it, which is fantastic because I don't want to violate FERPA right now. All right, so we're going to create a column. So I'm going to hit Create Column. I'm going to call it Exam 1. And for some reason, Blackboard makes you name it twice. And the primary display, I want a score. So I could put it as a percentage either way. And some people might prefer that it's a letter grade. But I do it either as a score or a percentage. And the category is going to be tests. And this is worth 100 points. Now, if there's a rubric associated with grading, if it were an essay or something like that, I might add a rubric here. All right, but it's just a test. And I do want to add a due date. Let's say, we'll just say it's September the 4th. Don't really know at this time. And usually I put by midnight. Oops, midnight's the start of the day, end of the day we want. And then we can't forget down at the very bottom, I always tell it to show statistics. That way I can tell what the average is when every score is entered, and I don't have to do that separately. And I hit submit. So now I have that column. Let me go over. So and for some reason, so now I have that column. It's over to the right of my total column, which is the total column always appears in all of the grade books, as does the weighted total, because they're pre-programmed by our administrator. But there's exam 1 there on the right. Now I can move that column, but I'll leave that for the video where it shows you how to organize your columns.